Most beginners memorize tree traversals, but they completely fail when recursion disappears. Today, we'll master LeetCode 94 binary tree inorder traversal. From brute force thinking to interview level optimization. And finally, the insane O1 space Morris Traversal. In this video, you'll learn what inorder traversal actually means. What inorder traversal actually means. Recursive solution. Iterative stack solution. Morris Traversal, O1, space. Time and space complexity. Interview tricks most miss. We need to visit nodes in this order: left, root, right. Visit left of 1. None. Visit 1. Move right to 2. Visit left of 2. 3. Visit 2. So the answer becomes 1, 3, 2. Trees become easy once you understand recursion. Every node asks the same question. First, process my left side. Then, visit myself. Then, process my right side. Node 2 asks, process my left side. Node 3 asks, process my left. Left is null. Then visit myself. Then process right. Done with node 3. Back to node 2, visit myself. Finally, process right of node 2. Null. Recursion unwinds. Traversal complete. Let's break it down line by line. If node becomes null, stop recursion immediately. Go completely left first. Then process current node. Finally explore the right subtree. This recursive structure guarantees correct order traversal. Every node is visited exactly once.
But recursion stack can grow up to the height of the tree. Now things get interesting. We manually simulate recursion using a stack. Start at root 2, while current exists. Push 2 to stack. Go left to 1. Push 1 to stack. Go left. Null. Inner loop ends. Pop from stack. 1. Add to result. Check right of 1. Null. Outer loop continues. Stack has 2. Pop 2. Add to result. Check right of 2-3. Cur becomes 3. Push to stack. Go left of 3. Null. Pop 3. Add to result. Stack empty. Cur null. Return result. Iterative approach uses O, N, time and O, H, space.
Here's the trick.
The stack stores nodes whose right side is still unexplored. We don't process the right child until we pop this node. Think of the stack as a list of pending work. Now for the legendary Morris Traversal. Instead of recursion, or stack, we temporarily modify the tree itself. We connect predecessor nodes back to the current node. This creates a temporary return path. And this restores the original tree. No recursion, no stack, pure pointer manipulation. Here's how they compare. Recursive approach, O, N, time, O, N, space. Simple and elegant. Iterative stack approach, same time and space complexity, but gives you more explicit control over the call flow. And Morris Traversal, still O, N, time, but drop space down to true O, 1. The ultimate interview flex. No recursion, no stack, just pure pointer manipulation.
In interviews, follow this progression. Start with recursion to show you understand the basics. Mention stack optimization to show you understand memory constraints. Then impress with Morris Traversal for that 1 space complexity. If trees feel difficult right now, don't worry. Every expert once got destroyed by recursion too. Keep practicing consistently and soon these patterns become automatic. Subscribe for more LeetCode explanations with visuals, animations, and interview tricks. Next video, binary tree level order traversal.